I knew I should have taken that left turn at Albuquerque.
Hi everybody, how you doing? I was going to tell you, I did already dehydrate that milk, freeze-dried it. It's already packaged, sealed, and in the closet. So there's these two women I know that have in town, if you call it a town, they have like a food cart type thing. It's like a trailer food thing. Mostly they do bakery stuff, but they also do meals. So I was talking to them like a week ago, and I was like, hey, if you guys ever make meals, just like make an extra, and I'll buy it from you, like the whole thing. So I was in town tonight, and one of the ladies walks up to me. She's like, hey, I got your, and I can't remember if she said lasagna or enchiladas. I'll know when I cut into them. I don't know. They're either lasagna or enchiladas. I don't know. So I'm going to cut them into portions and then put them on these trays. Yeah, I'll put them on here. Freeze dryer is already warming up, or I guess it's freezing up, getting ready, and perhaps we'll get a finished product thing. This will probably take around 30-ish hours, somewhere in there, for all this to be. And this cost me $15. So I gave her a 20, said keep the 5 for the next thing, because I already told her, next thing you make, I want a tray. And she's either, I think she said, this must be enchiladas, because I think she said they're going to make lasagna next. But they do, stews, like green chili beef stew and that kind of stuff. So basically, I don't even have to do the cooking. This is all homemade by these women, and all I got to do is buy it from them and freeze dry it. So win-win. All right, anyway, there's things you can do to avoid whatever's coming, and it's coming. By the way, I'm going to be making some more videos soon that are going to be more about like the prepping topics, but they're going to, I'll just give you a heads up, they're going to have basically clickbait headlines, titles. What the title says has nothing to do with the video. I'm doing a test. I'm doing a test with the algorithm to see if I can figure something out. I have a theory. I'm going to see if it pans out. So, yeah, my upcoming videos, you might see some with some kind of like on-topic, clickbaity titles. I guarantee you the videos itself will have nothing to do with that. So anyway, take care. Okay, so that was a full tray and a half. Tray and 2/3 of, I don't know. It's lasagna enchiladas. It's one or the other. I still can't tell. And so I got all of it on 2 trays. So like I was saying, you don't need a 6 tray or a 5 tray. A 4 tray will do you just fine. If you are interested in a Harvest Right freeze dryer, I would say shoot for the 4 tray. It's going to take up a little bit less space. It's going to cost less, and you're going to be able to put a lot of food in there. So like I said, there's, what's that? 8, 7, 15 servings. Paid $15. It's $1 a serving, and in the apocalypse, worth far more than that. Anyway, all right. Hope this helps. I'm about 95% sure those are enchiladas. It could be lasagna though.